Luckily, no one's sitting next to me. This is amazing. I really didn't want anyone sitting next to me, and it became true. No one's sitting next to me. My flight's about to be so good. I'll see you guys when I arrive, I guess. Okay, so I arrived in LA safely. Actually got here kind of earlier than I expected. More of the story, my friend's car got stranded on the freeway. They were supposed to pick me up with this 240, but it's stuck on the freeway right now, and we are trying to figure out whether he can come get me or I'm about to pay $100 in Uber just to get to his house. I called a couple of my friends. They're going to like a 4th of July party because of course today's 4th of July. So I'm stranded. I think it's so funny to me. I think it's such a 240 life is this is what it's all about, you know. I feel the pain. But anyway, he said that his car might be running. I'm not too sure, but if he is, then hopefully I can get picked up. But till then, I have to wait for his text message. So yeah, I'm gonna wait here for a few minutes. Good morning.
Hi. How you doing? I'm kind of hungover.
Yeah, same.
Last time we came, I made a lot of progress on this.
Oh, what the
What? Yeah, there's no.
Someone pulled it out?
Yeah, someone
Okay.
pulled it out for their match. I gave up on project cars after this, so I didn't buy another one. I got it daily.
Yeah?
Reliable.
What's your daily?
Nissan Sentra.
Nice. Wait.
Nissan Sentra.
Wait. Hello? Is this the car that you were trying to get me last night and you...
Not even last night.
I mean, afternoon.
And I broke down on the freeway. Yeah, this is the same car. I bought a 240.
Yes, finally.
It's all sanded down. We're painting it. Ignore the wire.
Anyway,
That's my front turning signal.
this is new Bernard's 240. It's got...
It's clapped.
It's clapped.
This car has made me... I was broke, and then I bought this car, and then I was fine, and then it started breaking, and then I was super broke.
Well, welcome to financial mistakes. This is the financial mistake, to be honest.
Also, shout out to Jeremy for letting us borrow his car because my car is broken. But yeah, this is the linking rod. You just have to snap the ball joint in, and then you're good. The pop-ups will pop up, and then you can wink at all the dudes with Miatas. You know. Yeah, $100 for this. My life.
Hotel concierge, know me as that spaced out nigga with the chunky ears.
at the AutoZone to pick up the fuel pump for his 240.
More car parts today.
Nice fuel pump. Hopefully this is the problem.
Apparently my car is like, hey, I know Asher's coming to visit and I'm gonna it out on it myself because he wants content for the channel. So how convenient, because my car was working perfectly fine up until this point.
It's alright.
My life, bro.
Alright, well let's go home.
Put it in!
Yes, please.
I wanna put it in.
It's
so
only
bad.
It's only like 20-minute job. We can do this.
When a 20-minute job turns into a 5-hour job.
And we're like
I'm not sure you know which one is which.
Huh? The screw sizes. The
Oh,
sizes.
yeah. Okay, well, I brought all my shit for
I didn't know.
Dummy.
Money. Little sussy pocket action over here. Does anyone else moan when they shift? Do you do that?
I
Just like.
Sometimes when I go like into fifth and it's really smooth
Yeah.
and my synchros don't crack,
Yeah.
I let out a little sigh. You know, that's as close as I get.
You're like, oh.
Yeah, I have to double clutch just to get it into fifth.
That's
'Cause-
part is my guy. Negative first.
Dude, we should keep these. These are still good condition.
Ah! Oh, there you go. There you go. Got it.
Okay, should we go that way?
Gonna let it dangle. Got it.
Watch your head. Hold on, up. I need to adjust the. Okay, that's pretty loose now. Watch your head.
Oh, I feel all the blood coming back into my arms.
You hot?
Yes.
So warm.
Will it lock?
Oh, fix the boot.
Fix you. I'm not ready.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, babe! That thingy over there. Yeah, that's done. The cable's already set.
Okay. Moment of truth.
Just send it.
Please pray. Let's hold hands. Hold hands.
Sing kumbaya.
Hold hands!
Sing kumbaya. Kumbaya, kumbaya.
Alright. Give
Wait,
me a little bit more.
what?
I just built fuel pressure.
Oh, here we go. How's it? Is it healthy?
Oh, relax, it's cold.
Did it die?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. you're not shifting, you're high at RPM. It does though. It's doing it?
There it goes. I need baby back home. I can do it. It's just dying.
Slowly push hard, high RPM.
It's idling fine. It's sputtering under acceleration.
Well. We're back.
It's our headset.
We're going to change the math and hope it works.
Every car I buy is just doesn't work. You unfolded it.
I know truth.
Should click.
Fuel pump? Fuel? Fuel pump?
Anyway, so we made it home.
Barely.
We made it home.
Barely.
In conclusion, math wasn't also. It could be partially its fault, but it wasn't definitely.
We should explain what happened today. We woke up hungover. Then we got food, picked up parts from Nissan, picked up parts from...
Like you guys saw in the video already.
Yeah. And yeah, but put the fuel pump in, wasn't it? Math.
Wasn't it?
Might be it. It's also our hose clamps were very loose and the thing was just jiggling around in the car.
But it's not like that though.
That is true.
Even just a little bit of space in between, it wouldn't be like
That means you're only...
The car still starts, you know what I mean? So it's like, because I mean, without math, your car was supposed to start just fine, but it's not doing that. So it's like, it's gotta be something else.
Long story short, don't get a 240.
Well, I mean, it's not all good, you know what I mean? It's just like, it's a work in progress. Regardless of any of that, like, I feel like with me too, when I first got my car and I took down all the video that when I first got my car, because I was just like keep hitting the bumps and I was super broke, so it's like it was just not fun. Like, and you know, like I replaced, like, because I was having the same exact issue as you, I replaced the TPS, I cleaned the mouth, I replaced the fuel pump, I replaced cap and rotor, and I did all these things and it still did the same thing, only to find out the fuel pump, you know, wiring, it was loose.
Well, that happened to me too when I first got the car.
You know, so then like, but after that it was like all smooth. So, you know, I could have been doing all this, and while at it, it was fixing every problem that it might have had.
We'll figure it out tomorrow. For now, do you wanna drink and forget about our problem?
Yeah. Anyway, tomorrow I will be meeting with some awesome people and some awesome cars in Orange County, so that could be really fun. And he's saying that he might not come, but I hope he can make it.
Hopefully, we'll see.
But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was such a raw video today, I think, because I think a lot of people on the platform, they only show all the fun parts, but like they don't show what goes behind the scene, or like, you know, people go through this type of struggle all the time owning a car, like especially buying a project car. People don't really understand that, and I think we got to really show that today, that like even how hard you try to diagnose it, something with itself, but that's just life, you know. That's just the way owning a 240 is about. Like,
sometimes
unless
your car itself, sometimes
yeah,
you yourself. Like, you can never control when you yourself.
just can't. You just
your car itself.
yeah. But hopefully tomorrow's a good day. Hopefully, finger crossed. Wait, finger crossed.
Idiot.
Oh, fingers crossed. Okay, shoots.